Good afternoon, world. Welcome to another episode of Dr. Nate Live. Thursday, September 21st, 2023. It's Taco Thursday. Hope everybody's enjoying the Thursday out there. It's finally cooled down over here in sunny Arizona, as it's supposed to only be a high of 96 today. So hopefully everybody's staying safe, cool, and warm if you're in a different area of the world, or it's obviously cold. Because some places is having winter right now while we're having summer. Anyhow, just touching on base on yesterday's conversation as I looked a little bit deeper into this of what's going on with Unity and why they're tracking installs, which is to me an older style model of how they're doing game development, what clients and customers and developers are doing. The other side of this is also looking at old leadership being in positions of locations. So the former EA CEO is now part of Unity's leadership, which he wanted to charge people per bullet on Call of Duty, which was not the greatest of ideas. So maybe this is where this is stemming from, as part of Unity's new leadership that's causing this issue. But why would you want to track the installs? I get charging for it because you're going to charge a royalty on it anyway, but that was an older style model of doing licensing. Because if you look at the older style of licensing for game development, it is very, very old and outdated in that sense, because in essence it really doesn't make any sense unless you're trying to do something where you're tracking every little piece of data and then you're selling it out to a third party for a bunch of money, because now you have all this lovely data of what devices, who's doing what, where, who, where, what, how, right? And you're utilizing a small development company that was literally there for a lot of hobbyists and small game development studios, and you're literally eliminating them from that platform and you're pushing them outside to a different platform, which is kind of like corporate rating a little bit. So it's hard to see what's really going on, but those are all kind of guesstimations of things I've seen in the industry before. And I've seen things happen where other studios spent millions and millions of dollars and have had similar issues happen where people forget, the end users, the whole reasons why they started Unity, in the sense of trying to go for just the developer and small studios to help them be more of an entrepreneur level of development. So we'll see what happens with that, but please share with me your feedback a little bit on this Unity subject. DoctorNateLive@gmail.com. And if you needed help with your small business, or would you like help with your game development project, or even your web project or app project, reach out to me, DoctorNateLive@gmail.com. We'll see you all tomorrow for another great episode of Dr. Nate Live. Have a great day, everybody. Be safe out there.